Solved problems. Statement of financial position, statement of comprehensive income, and statement of changes in owner's equity. Problem. Easy accounting merchandise adjusted trial balance for the years December 31, 2019 and December 31, 2020 are given. There are various debits and credits for the year 2019 and various debits and credits for the year 2020 are there. They include assets, liabilities, owner's equity, expenses, income. Total debits for December 31, 2019 is 4,847,007. Total credits for December 2019 is 4,847,007. Total debits for December 31, 2020 is 7,573,791.40. Total credits are 7,573,791.40. You are required to prepare a statement of financial position, statement of comprehensive income, and statement of changes in owner's equity for the years 2019 and 2020. Solution. Statement of financial position for the years 31st December 2019 and the 31st December 2020. Let us prepare statement of financial position for the year 2019. Assets, current assets, cash on hand 125.86, cash in bank 560.125, trade receivables 400.125, less allowance for bad debts 61.28, net trade receivables 339.997, advance to suppliers 125.677, interest receivable 1,248, prepaid supplies 4,450, receivable from insurance 17,990, prepaid interest 987, prepaid insurance 6,680, merchandise inventory December 31, 301,256, total current assets 1,531,996, non-current assets land 780,125, land improvements 5040, less accumulated depreciation land improvements 2050, net land improvements 2,990, buildings 486.50, less accumulated depreciation buildings 107.88, net buildings say 379,862, building improvements 65,234, accumulated depreciation building improvements 5019, net cost of building improvements 60,215, furniture and fixtures 88,190, accumulated depreciation furniture and fixtures 10,160, net cost of furniture 78,030, machinery and equipment 110,897, less accumulated depreciation machinery and equipment 45,678, net cost of machinery and equipment 65,219, total non-current assets 1,366,441, total assets 2,898,437. Similarly, let us prepare the total assets for 31st December 2020. Cash on hand 144,703.20, cash in bank 669,47.50, trade receivable 360,112.50, allowance for bad debts 54,115, net trade receivables 305,997.30, advances to suppliers 144,528.55, interest receivable 1,248, prepaid supplies 4,450, prepaid interest 987, prepaid insurance 6,680, merchandise invested December 31, 376,570, total current assets 1,646,111.55, non-current assets land 780,125, land improvements 5040, accumulated depreciation minus 3075, net cost of land improvements 1,965, buildings 486,50, less accumulated depreciation buildings 146,458, net cost of buildings 334,192, building improvements 65,234, accumulated depreciation building improvements minus 10097, net cost of building improvements 55,137, furniture and fixtures 88,190, less accumulated depreciation minus 16,247, net cost of furniture 70,943, machinery and equipment 110,897, accumulated depreciation machinery and equipment minus 55,835, net cost of machinery and equipment 55,062, total non-current assets 1,298,424, total assets 2,944,535.55. Statement of financial position continue 31st December 3019. Liabilities. Current liabilities. Trade payable 198,700. Advances from officers and employees 5076. Utilities payable 6,807. Salaries payable 10,150. Unearned rent 5,600. Notes payable short-term portion 250,000. Loans payable short-term portion 130,000. Total current liabilities 606,333. Non-current liabilities. Notes payable long-term 180,000. Loans payable long-term 450,000. Total non-current liabilities 630,000. Total liabilities 1,236,333. Owner's equity. Luca Padoli capital 482,145. Luca Padoli withdrawals minus 250,000. Add profit 1,429,959. Total owner's equity 1,662,104. Total liability and owner's equity 2,898,437. For the year 2020, the current liabilities trade payable 278,180. Advances from officers and employees 6,852.60. Utilities payable 8,849.10. Salaries payable 12,687.50. Unearned rent 6,496. Notes payable short-term portion 310,000. Loans payable short-term portion 139,100. Total current liabilities 762,165.20. Non-current liabilities. Notes payable long-term portion 201,600. Loans payable long-term portion 486,000. Total non-current liabilities 687,600. Total liabilities 1,449,765.20. Owner's equity 1,662,104. Capital less withdrawals 1,494,833.25. Add profit 1,327,499.60. Total owner's equity 1,494,770.35. Total liabilities and owner's equity 2,944,535. Total liabilities and owner's equity 2,944,535.55. Statement of financial performance 31/12/2019, 31/12/2020. Revenues for the year 2019. Sales 2,490,000. Sales discount less 10,250. Sales return 1,577. Net revenues 2,478,173. Less expenses. Merchandise inventory January 1 255,544. Purchases 510,000. Purchase discount minus 88,000. Purchase return minus 7650. Supplies expense 10,124. Freight in 56,875. Merchandise inventory 30th December minus 301,256. Cost of goods sold 435,637. Gross profit 2,042,536. For the year 2020, sales 3,610,550. Sales discount 30,750. Sales return 6,308. Total net revenues 3,573,442. Less expenses. Merchandise inventory January 1 301,256. Purchases 1,785,000. Purchase discount minus 158,400. Purchase return minus 19,125. Supplies expense 9,111.60. Freight in 56,875. Merchandise inventory December 31 minus 376,570. Cost of goods sold 1,598,147.60. Gross profit 1,975,294.40. Statement of financial position continued 31st December 2019, 31st December 2020. Less admin expense, selling expenses, freight out 6,780. Salaries expense 434,588. Utilities expense 10,770. Rent expense 60,000. Bad debts 1,654. Depreciation buildings 45,670. Depreciation land improvements 6,557. Depreciation building improvements 5,078. Depreciation furniture 6,087. Depreciation machinery and equipment 10,157. Insurance expense 18,000. Interest expense 12,000. Miscellaneous expense 1,056. Advertising expense 5,680. Total admin and selling expenses 624,077. Add other income, rent income 10,000. Interest income 1,500. Total 11,500. Net profit 1,429,959. For the year 2020, freight out 7,119, salaries expense 478,046.80, utilities expense 12,385.50, rent expense 60,000, bad debts 1,571.30, depreciation buildings 45,670, depreciation land improvements 1025, depreciation land building improvements 5078, depreciation furniture 6087, depreciation machinery and equipment 10,157, insurance expense 14,400, interest expense 10,200, miscellaneous expense 739.20, advertising expense 6,816.00, total admin and selling expenses 659,294.80, add other income, rent income 10,000, interest income 1,500, total other income 11,500, net profit 1,327,499.60. Statement of changes in owner's equity 31st December 2019, 31st December 2020. Luca Padoli Capital 31st December 2019, 482,145. Luca Padoli withdrawals minus 250,000. Add profit 1,429,959. Total equity 1,662,104. For the year 31st December 2020, Luca's capital 1,662,104. Luca Padoli withdrawals minus 1,494,833.25. Add profit 1,327,499.60. Total equity for the year 2020 is 1,494,770.35. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.